Good day everyone, welcome to Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to write linear equations of a horizontal line. Let's talk about horizontal form. You will have a horizontal line if the slope is 0 and given any point. If the given 2 points have the same y-coordinate, expect that you will have a horizontal line. Now, if you encounter this scenario, your equation of the line will be y is equal to k. Now, let's have some example of horizontal form. Alright, let's have an example. So, for example, we're looking for the equation of the line that has 0 slope and it will pass through the coordinate 6, 2. In this case, we can use the point slope form, but since we have a 0 slope, we can use the horizontal form. Now, the horizontal form has a formula y is equal to k. In this case, we're just going to copy our y-coordinate of the given point. So our coordinate or y-coordinate of our point is 2. So our equation of the line will be y is equal to 2. Alright, for example, we're looking for the equation of the line that has 0 slope and it will pass through the coordinate -2, -8. Now, since we're given a slope of 0, we can use the horizontal form, which is y is equal to k. Then, we will just copy the value of our y-coordinate in the given point. So, the equation of the line will be y is equal to -8. Let's have another example. So, for example, we're looking for the equation of the line that will pass through 5, 3 and -8, 3. Now, in this case, you can use the 2-point form. But instead of using the 2-point form, observe your coordinates. Do they have the same y-coordinate? If that happens in your given, you will have a horizontal line. So instead of using 2-point form, you can use the horizontal form. Y is equal to k. Now, to get our equation, we will just copy the common coordinate. So our common coordinate is 3. So our equation of the line will be y is equal to 3. Alright, okay, let's have another example. For example, we're going to write the equation of the line that will pass through the point 0, -5, and -7, -5. Now, looking at our 2 points, we can observe that they have the same y-coordinate. Knowing that they have the same y-coordinate, we will use the horizontal form, which is y is equal to k. Now, to write our equation, we will just write y is equal to the common value of our y-coordinate, which is -5. So, the equation of our line will be y is equal to -5. Alright. Now that you already know how to write a linear equation of a horizontal line, it is your turn to try it. Please click the link in our description box below in order for you to test your skills. That's it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video.